What's up guys? While Apple has been dominating headlines in recent weeks for its camera innovations for the iPhone 11 line, a recent rumor suggests that a truly revolutionary change may be coming to Samsung's next camera. In last September, South Korean publication The Elect reported that the Galaxy S11 would be the first phone from Samsung to feature a camera capable of 5x optical zoom. Now even more evidence has been uncovered to support that claim. On Sunday, the Elect returned with a new report, claiming that Korean tech socket manufacturer MediaTek will supply Samsung with best sockets for the rumored periscope camera for the Galaxy S11. The Elect notes that the sockets are used to make last-minute checks, which would seem to imply that Samsung has already finalized the design to use these camera modules for the version of the Galaxy S11 that we ship to consumers. We have various test solutions for smartphone cameras, TOF and folded cameras, said a MediaTek official. It's becoming more and more difficult to develop new technologies and solutions on account of the growing number and types of cameras, but we are very passionate about leading the market. The so-called folded camera is just one new solution that Samsung will reportedly employ for its next flagship, which will allow the vendor to more effectively hide the camera by sticking in its enclosure side face, which in turn makes for a much less prominent camera bump, such as one found on the Apple iPhone 11 Pro. Other rumored innovations include the capacity for 5x optical zoom and a 108 megapixel camera sensor, which would blow the 12 megapixel primary sensor of the Galaxy S10 and the Note 10 out of the water. As phone designs continue to blend together, Samsung might be banking on the camera settings the S11 apart. We should know more before too long, as Samsung is expected to unveil the new phone in mid-Feb 2020. So yeah, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.